Later, there is an air leakage from the air valve and exhaust hole after pulling the trigger on the steering platter. The reason for air leakage from the air valve or exhaust hole is that the air valve inside the switch or the O-ring of the stem is damaged. Let's open it up and take a look. Loosen the screws holding the air valve a little. Then remove the air valve nut. If the air valve nut here is tightly screwed on, tap it slightly with a hammer and then unscrew it. Once removed, there's a stem spring underneath the air valve. Insert the air hose and punch out the set of switches in the gun body. Take the air valve on. There are 4 O-rings on top of the air valve. Damage to any of the O-rings will cause the exhaust hole to leak. Damage to the O-ring on the top lever of the switch or insufficient lubrication will result in air leakage from the air valve. Replace the damaged O-ring with a new one of the same size. Brush both the O-ring of the air valve and the O-ring of the stem set with lubricant. Install the stem set back into the air valve, then put them back. Use a wrench to bring it up to the threaded position. Then put the stem spring back in. Lubricate the air valve nut and put it back on. Tighten the screws securing the air valve. Finally, we inserted the air hose and tested it to check if it was still leaking there.